What's up, people? Ooh. Wherever you are, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Hope all is well and happy 2019. I'm sorry I've been away from YouTube. It's probably the first video of the year, and thought I would make a very small video just to wish everyone a happy new year, and talk about some of the changes. First change being the microphone, which I managed to sort out, get in, because GoPro like to make life difficult for the vloggers, cornering the market with their products and only their products. So I had a bit of a difficulty attaching the mic and the connection, everything else. So I got an attachment from GoPro for about 40 quid, which has the new USB connection, which now seems to be working after a few tests, because the camera, the GoPro 7, does have a few thank you, a few options on what kind of mic you're using and all of that sort of stuff. So managed to get that working. So Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, please don't come into my lane. Oh, what is that? That is fantastic, mate. That is fucking wicked. I don't know what it is, but it just looks brilliant. And he must be freezing. Damn it, cannot use the bus lane, but I'll try to squeeze in through the line. Hopefully that's okay. And yes, so, and I got some new gloves, look at that, because apparently my other gloves weren't actually winter gloves. Well, they are, but they're like a summer going on to winter kind of glove, which was pathetic really, because in terms of letting in the cold, I was really struggling with my commute. And these are 100% better. So I mean, in terms of that, they were 100 quid from JNS. Bear with me. Oh dear, police. 100 quid from JNS, and they are 100% Gore-Tex. In terms of aesthetics, they look a bit poo, don't they? Look at that. Knuckle protection is rubberized. It doesn't even have like armor or anything like that. No palm protection apart from that little rubbery thing there. Nothing significant that I can say, you know, wow. There's no wow factor with them as well. They've got a little windscreen rubberized wiper here. Not windscreen, lid wiper for those wet, rainy days. And they seem to be doing the job. They seem to be doing the job. They're okay. I still got the heated grips on, but they're doing fantastically well. I mean, for 100 quid, and apparently they're the warmest on the market. And these are Rikers or Riches, whatever. Again, 100% Gore-Tex, so 100% waterproof, and a massive improvement on the old ones, which I still have, obviously, which I'll use for the slightly warmer days, but not so hot that they're unbearable. So I've got like 5 pairs of gloves. Summer glove, I got a long sleeve summer glove, and then I got a winter glove, which is like non-sleeved, and then I've got these ones, and I think I've got another one somewhere. I think it's 4 or 5, something like that. So I just wanted to ask my subs, we'll just start a conversation in the comments section. What kind of gloves do you guys wear? I mean, what you know, what is it? Are you influenced by brand? Are you influenced by its aesthetics? Are you influenced by its practicality? In terms of, you know, because some people are sucker for, you know, they'll only buy Dainese, they'll only buy Alpine Star, or that sort of stuff. I mean, for For these ones, sorry, for these ones, obviously, I've gone away from. I like quite compact things. I like things that don't take a lot of space. I mean, these are quite bulky. So, what do you look for in a glove? And do you have gloves for all seasons, or do you just have one or two, a summer one and an extreme winter one? So yeah, leave your comments below. And again, Happy New Year to you all, and I hope you have a fantastic 2019. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention is the camera view. Leave some comments down below on what you think of this new view is. So GoPro have 3 views. They've got linear, which is obviously kind of similar to what I had before, but obviously different. I've got the chin mount on, which is pretty much, that's all you'd see right in front. And then they've got the wide view, which is kind of like a fishbowl, wider angle. And then you've got what this is called super view, which I think it's a really good combination of, I mean, you've got a really good balance between the dash, the controls, my hands, the horizon, and then you've got the sky, and you can see all the traffic and everything else. So I hope you guys like this view. This is the view that I will be filtering on, so you can get real close-up action to what I see. So I hope you enjoy that. And if you don't, leave it in the comment section, and then they will be ignored. Oh, another thing I forgot, forgetting everything today, is the so I'm running at 60 frames per second or 120 frames per second, I'm not sure, but I was having difficulties at the beginning editing at 4K, which I'm not. This is at 2.2K at either 60 frames per second or 120 frames per second, I'm not sure, but nonetheless the picture quality seems to be holding out and okay for me to edit.